The United States has indicated a possible pause in hostilities with Iran, signaling the first signs of de-escalation in the ongoing West Asia conflict. US President Donald Trump said US and Iran had held what he described as productive conversations aimed at resolving the crisis. He said the US had decided to delay planned military strikes on Iranian energy infrastructure for 5 days to allow talks to continue. However, he made it clear the pause would depend on progress in negotiations. The move comes amid intense escalation. Officials said 2 Iranian missiles struck southern Israel, injuring more than 100 people in one of the most severe attacks since the conflict began. In response, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said Israel would retaliate across multiple fronts. Iran, meanwhile, maintained a defiant stance. It warned that any further US action could trigger widespread attacks on critical infrastructure across the region, including power and water facilities linked to American interests. There was no official confirmation from Tehran on ongoing talks. Even a state media suggested the US had stepped back under pressure. The conflict, which began on February 28, has already claimed over 2,000 lives, with most casualties reported in Iran.